Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fikri, and today I am going to explain one of the most famous local wisdom from my hometown, Palembang. The local wisdom that I choose is pempek, a traditional food that has become the identity of Palembang people.
Pempek is a very popular traditional food made from fish and tapioca flour. It usually served with a special sauce called cuko, which has a sweet, sour, and fishy taste. Pempek is not only food, it represents culture, history, creativity, and the way of life of Palembang society. In the presentation, I will explain the history, process, cultural values, and the importance of pempek for the people of Palembang. History of pempek. The origin of pempek is not fully recorded, but there are several stories. One popular story says that pempek has existed since the 16th century during the era of the Palembang Sultan. At that time, many Chinese traders visited Palembang, and one elderly man called Apek sold fish checks around the riverside. People called his food empek-empek, and over time the name changed into pempek. But whatever the true origin is, pempek has become strongly connected with the life of Palembang people, especially those who live near the Musi River, where fish were abundant. How pempek made? Pempek is made from simple ingredients: fresh fish, usually tenggiri or belida, tapioca flour, salt, and seasoning. The fish is ground until smooth, then mixed with flour until the texture becomes soft and elastic. After that, pempek is shaved into various forms such as lenjer, kapal selam, keriting, kulit. Before frying, pempek is boiled first to make it last longer. It is then fried right before eating to give it crispy texture. The most important element is cuko, made from brown sugar, chili garlic, and vinegar. Cuko is the soul of pempek. Cultural values. Wisdom in using natural resources. People in Palembang traditionally use fish from the Musi River instead of wetting fish. They process it into pempek so the fish could last longer. This shows local wisdom in using resources wisely, avoiding food waste, respecting nature. Symbol of togetherness. Making pempek is often a family activity. During special events or when guests come, families work together to prepare the dog. The dog shave it and cook it. This represents family unity, cooperation, warm hospitality. Cultural identity. Pempek is the strongest symbol of Palembang. When people hear Palembang, the first thing that comes to mind is pempek. It's become a cultural identity that makes the people proud of their heritage. Philosophy of cuko. The taste of cuko, sweet, sour, and spicy, symbolizes the reality of life. Life has sweetness, sadness, challenge and sometimes bitterness. The philosophy that teaches people to be patient, strong, grateful. Variations of pempek and creativity. The variety of pempek chefs show the creativity of Palembang society. For example, kapal selam with egg inside represent wealth from water. Langer represent simplicity. Adaan show freedom of creativity. Today, there are many innovations such as pempek grilled, pempek cheese, pempek noodles. The things show that culture can grow without losing its original identity. Economic value. Pempek is also a big source of income for many people in Palembang. There are home industries, small food stalls, big pempek factories, online sellers. Pempek helps strengthen the local economy and support families. It also becomes a culinary tourism attraction. Why pempek is important? Pempek is important because it contains history from the river-based life of Palembang, culture, symbol of unity and identity. Economy, support local business. Philosophy, live legend through taste. Pempek is not just food, it is a complex cultural heritage that continues to live today. Conclusion. To conclude, pempek is unique local wisdom from Palembang that represents our creativity, identity, philosophy, and economic strength. By understanding pempek, we also understand the culture of Palembang people. Thank you for watching my local wisdom project video. Saya akhiri. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Pempek Palembang is more than just a delicious dish. It's a story, a tradition, and a symbol of local wisdom. Every bit of pempek carries the history, creativity, and togetherness of the Palembang people. That it's all I can share in this presentation. I hope this video is useful and gives benefits to all of us. Thank you your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.